Alright, so my cat's drinking beer tonight. Pepper Pumpkin's getting drunk, and now she just dumped the bottle over. You're cut off. I think you've had enough. You big bad drunk kitty. Yeah. Yeah, she's a little drunk. You can tell her eyes are a little bloodshot. Hey! Pumpkin! Pepper! Are you alright? Yeah, she's drunk. Follow my finger. Not follow my finger. Yep, she's drunk. Yep, now she's trying to reach for the bottle. You don't want my beer back. Yeah, I'm drunk. Yeah, Pepper Pumpkin's drunk tonight. Are you alright, Pepper? Pumpkin. Pepper Pumpkin, are you alright? Yeah. What you doing now? Are you alright? See, told you she's drunk. Even off the camera, she's that intoxicated. Where you going for it? Oh, you're gonna go to the cooler? You gonna grab another cold beer? Alright. What are you doing? Yeah. Trying to get more beer. Alright. Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna see you now, and yeah, she's drunk. Okay, I'm just gonna now, and she's out. I think Kitty's had too much to drink. Anyways, that's my cat. She's drunk. Peace out.